All right, so here on the mannequin, we have the suit inside out, so we can describe some of the component parts that are on the inside of the suit. For example, this silver gold looking material are your electrodes. These are specifically designed and shaped to contour the muscles to maximize the motor neuron activation. They are 26% silver flaking throughout, so it provides an antibacterial microbial environment. Here you can see I'm pulling it out. Here is an extra pad that is used to help provide discretion if it's fitting tight. And you have one over here in the groin area as well. These electrodes here are considered the pecs, the pectoral muscles. On the shoulders, we have the deltoid muscles. Here are the abdominal muscles. As you can see, they're shaped and designed to go transabdominis. Here are the quads. So you have your right quad and your left quad. And again, you can see the shape of them. The shape is very important to make sure you maximize the motor neurons again. Now I'm going to turn this around so that you can see the backside, and I can tell you the electrodes there. Now on the back side, you have left side of the back and the right side of the back. You have the triceps, the glutes, and the hamstrings. Again, it's important to understand. Look how these are flared down and they're flared up. This is to make sure that you're getting the glute minus, medius, and maximus muscles. The hamstrings are designed to push it down to make sure you get as much signal flow down behind the ligaments in the knees. And then your triceps. As you can see, we went over the electrodes when the suit was inside out of the mannequin, but you can also see them from the outside of the suit because each one of them are outlined in a blue threading. So you have the deltoids, the biceps, the triceps, for example. But what we want to do is, even though the suit is very flexible and stretchable, you do want to use caution when putting the suit on, especially in the hip area here, because all of these electrodes have a proprietary wiring system that comes into this electrode plate. So every one of those electrodes I went over come right here to where the control box connects. It is stretchable, but you need to use caution when putting it on not to overstretch it so you don't pull the cables out of the PCB boards that are in this hip clip.